Hi friends, let me show you this USB switch kit that I got for reviewing purposes. It is a great unit because it will allow you to use two computers with two different monitors and switch between them with one set of accessories or peripherals like the keyboards, mouses, cameras, printers, whatever, okay? It's great because also you can mix computers. You can use a Mac with a Microsoft computer. Okay, you get the actual switch. Here you will put the accessories or peripherals. With this switch you change the pieces that you are using, and this is where you will put the energy cable, the two monitors that you are going to use, and these are the cables that come from the two computers. Okay, a USB to get all the accessories and two HDMI for each computer so it will work properly. You get these plastic legs if you want to put them here so the unit won't scratch your desk, and you get the USB cables that you are going to connect from this place to the actual computer, a remote if you want to switch the computers far away from the actual switch. You can have this in your desk and just change like this the computers, and the energy cable, the USB-C to get energy to the switch. Okay, so of course user manual, and we are ready to try it. Let's do it. So now we are ready. We are using the switch. And let me tell you something really interesting. I am using the switch with two different kind of computers. A Mac Mini in one of the ends and a Windows laptop in the other end. So I can switch between Windows and Mac in my main monitor. This is what I am seeing in my Mac computer. I can have here a TV station, work that I have to do later, stock market chart, whatever. And I am working right now in the Windows computer, as you can see, with my Apple keyboard and my main mouse. Okay, so whenever I see something in my Mac that I have to take care of, I can change and switch to it. Let's do it. As you can see now, I can be working in whatever thing I have to do in my Mac computer. As you can see, this is my Mac computer, and be able to take a look at what's happening in my other computer. So let me change again the computer that I'm be working with to go back to my Windows computer. And now I am in my Windows computer. Also, you can put in the USB ports peripherals like cameras or whatever, or printers, and they will work with the computer that is in the main window or in the main section. So this is the way you have to put the cables. The two monitors go here, monitor 1, monitor B, and the computer HDMI cables, the ones that come from the computers, go in these two sets. This is the first computer, this is the second computer, and these USB-A cables directly to the computer, so all the peripherals will work great. This is the energy or electricity cable, this USB-C, and you put it in a, directly to the energy. Okay, let me show you. Okay, and in the other side you have the switching button. If you don't want to use the one in your desk, it will tell you which PC is working, and these USB ports will help you to put all the peripherals. Like I have now the camera, the mouse, and the keyboard. Okay, this is the actual remote control to change the PCs. So, well, this is a great switching unit. So you can use two different computers with two different monitors and switch between them to be working in one computer at a time and be looking at the other computer in the other monitor. Thank you.